We were in a house in Simpsonville, South Carolina, over in the Five Forks area. We've done a lot of work in this particular neighborhood. We're about to activate a passive radon vent pipe with a radon fan. 50% of the systems we've done in here have worked beautifully. The other 50 we have not had great success, and we have had to make some modifications. So we're about to cut this one open, see what happens with the pipe here. And but let me show you the vent pipe. Let's get started on this installation. All right, here is our passive radon vent pipe. There is our electrical. It's stubbed up in the box. We're going to insert a receptacle here real quick, get everything up and running, and get started. All right, got fan up pretty high. It's gonna be one of two scenarios, either clogged or it's got a ton of suction. Let's go see what it is. All right, so here's our vent pipe. We're somewhere in this corner. I can hear it, but you can see, I mean, we're like -3 pascals, very, very minimal. We should have very negative suction right here, being right on top of the vent pipe, but that's not the case. I think this is congested. I think it's plugged. Let's see what we can see with. All right, here is our sub slab. Look at that rock. I mean, it's beautiful, washed 57 stone. This thing should be moving air, no problem. Vent pipe is gonna be congested, I guarantee it. And let's figure it out, let's dig it out, let's get into this rock layer, and let's pull a vacuum on this floor. Right, so we've got it repaired. We've got it temporarily plugged up, but we're outside the garage. Now there's a stem wall here, so this isn't even on the same slab, same foundation zone, but you can see we're now negative. Let's go check our test point inside. All right, here's our fan in the attic. We set an RN4. We had to repair this system. We've just turned this fan down to about 56 watts. That's giving us about -4.5, 5 pascals to our furthest test point, our weakest test point. Really, there wasn't a huge trade-off. There's some leakage around the perimeter. There's some things we just can't get to, but there wasn't a whole lot of trade-off between running this wide open and running it at 60 watts. Because at 60 watts or 56 watts, what we've got it right now, we dropped about a pascal, maybe 2 pascals of suction to our furthest test point. So not a huge trade-off, but a huge energy saving versus running this wide open. So I think it's gonna be a good fit. Let me go show you downstairs in the closet. We're gonna wrap this thing up. All right, this is the finished product in the closet here. We located all of our system indicators so the customer didn't have to crawl across the attic. He can pull back the clothes here, view it. We did have to cut the drywall down there so we could seal up around the vent pipe. It was pretty janky in there, so we sealed there, foamed in around that, caulked. There's still some leakage we just can't get to. It's under base plates and different things, but we've got it sealed up much better, and we're about to close this one out.